Hey everybody, it's Kim once again at Goodwill for my favorite time of year. It is spooky season. I'm gonna decorate. I don't exactly know what I have in mind just yet, but that's the best way to shop at Goodwill. Peruse and thrift up and down the aisles and get your imagination sparked. Come on in. The most hated character in Star Wars franchise history. Tight, tight, tight. I love this. Okay, I'm gonna make it super simple for you guys. Goodwill always has these ready-made wreaths. Leave what you like, take off what you don't. I already have some things in my cart that I'm gonna add, some things at home, and I'm gonna make my dream slasher wreath. Okay guys, if you're into witches, the good news is they have so many different types. You got the cute witch, you got the evil witch, and you got the groovin' witch. Look at this. Party platter. Yoink. Just gonna go ahead and toss this in. Look at that. Wouldn't that be so cool on top of a mantle? Nice and glowy, you're setting the mood. It's Halloween season. Ooh, so many costumes to choose from here at Goodwill. Okay, one last thing to complete my wreath. Iconic 90s slasher flick Scream. This is gonna go on my wreath for sure.